In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Asana. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and ensure that certain tasks are always on your radar at the right times, using Asana's recurring task feature is a great solution. Let's dive into the process together. First, let's navigate to the Asana homepage. Open your web browser and log into your Asana account. Once you're at the home screen, you'll see a list of your recent projects and tasks. Now, select the project where you'd like to set up a recurring task. Simply click on the project name and you'll be directed to the project's main page. Next, within the project, you'll need to choose the specific task that you want to be repeated. Scroll through your task list and click on the task you have in mind. Clicking on it will open up the task details on the right side of your screen. With the task details open, turn your attention to the section where the task's elements are displayed. Here, you should locate the due date field. Click directly on this field, which will bring up a calendar view, along with additional options related to the task's scheduling. Now, you're ready to set the task to repeat. When you click on the due date field, look for the option labeled Set to Repeat. Click on this option to reveal various recurrence settings. This feature allows you to establish a repeating schedule for the task, which can be customized to fit your specific needs. Once you're in the repeat settings, you'll have the option to choose the days or intervals on which you want the task to recur. Whether you need it to repeat daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly, you can tailor these settings according to your requirement. Select the appropriate days and frequency that makes sense for this particular task. Remember, having your tasks recur automatically can significantly boost your productivity and reduce the mental load of remembering to add certain tasks repeatedly. It helps keep your work organized and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. After you've set the recurrence pattern, make sure to review the settings you've selected to confirm that they align with your intended schedule. Once you're satisfied, close the task details and you're done. The task will now automatically reappear on your list according to the frequency you've specified. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create a recurring task in Asana. Use this feature to enhance your productivity and maintain a well-structured workflow. Keep exploring Asana's vast array of functionalities to make the most of your project management experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy task managing.